30-year historical gold prices. Gold has proven to be one of the most reliable assets for preserving wealth and hedging against economic uncertainties. Over the past 3 decades, its journey from approximately $384 per ounce in the early 1990s to around $2,762 per ounce in late 2024 has been shaped by major financial crises, inflationary waves, and shifting investor sentiments. In the late 1990s, gold prices were relatively stable, a period marked by economic growth and lower inflation rates in many parts of the world. However, as global markets experienced turbulence in the early 2000s, particularly during the 2008 financial crisis, gold's safe haven appeal surged. Between 2007 and 2012, the price of gold more than doubled, reaching nearly $1,800 per ounce as investors turned to it for protection against market volatility and the effects of monetary easing strategies introduced to stabilize economies. The 2010s saw a more moderated trend, with prices fluctuating in response to events such as Brexit, trade disputes, and currency fluctuations. While growth was less rapid than in the post-2008 years, gold remained a steady performer, reflecting its role as a buffer against geopolitical and economic risks. Then, with the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, the metal saw another surge. Investors, facing economic shutdowns and inflation fears, once again flocked to gold, pushing prices past the $2,000 mark. As of October 2024, gold prices stand around $2,762 per ounce, underscoring its value retention capabilities amidst inflation and global uncertainties. This ongoing demand signals that investors still consider gold essential for portfolio diversification and financial security in times of market stress. Viewing gold's price evolution over the past 30 years highlights its resilience and unique role in financial strategies. For today's investors, this historical context provides reassurance that while gold may experience short-term fluctuations, its long-term trajectory aligns with wealth preservation and stability. Get a free gold investing kit now from Birch Gold by going to the link below the video or go to goldforthefuture.com. Thanks for watching.